Today's activity, we're going to make ice cream in a bag. I have my ingredients laid out here, and I'm going to take you through step by step how to make your own ice cream in about 10 minutes or less. So first of all, what we're going to need is 2 quart-size Ziploc bags. I have mine right here. 1 gallon Ziploc bag, about 4 cups of ice, some salt. You can either use rock salt or kosher salt, or if all you have is table salt, that will work too. That's going to be what we use to chill the ice cream. Then our ingredients are whipping cream, milk, vanilla, and sugar. So let's go ahead and make our ice cream. I'm going to use this coffee mug to just help keep our bag open while we're pouring the ingredients in. All right. So I put my Ziploc bag just on top of my cup, so that'll hold it open while I pour my ingredients in. First thing I need is a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. All right, we're going to pour that in. Next, we're going to do a 1/4 cup of milk. Add that to the bag. Next, we have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then about 1 tablespoon of sugar. There we go. Now I'm going to close up my bag and try and get as much of the air out of the bag as I can as I close it up. So kind of fold it over a little bit. Zip it up tight. Now I'm going to put that bag right inside the other bag, just in case when we're shaking it up we poke any holes by accident. So we'll make sure that we don't have any leaks. So again, you want to try and get as much of the air out of the bag as you can. And zip up the second bag. Now we want to put about 4 cups of crushed ice into our gallon Ziploc bag. So I'm going to put about 1/2 of the ice in. Then I'm going to put my ice cream mixture inside and put the other 1/2 of the ice on top of that. There we go. Now you could say our secret ingredient is adding the salt to the ice. By adding salt to the ice, it's going to get colder faster, and that's what's going to turn your milk mixture into ice cream. So you want to put about 4 tablespoons of salt into your bag of ice. All right, now the next step, zip up that bag, of course, and the next step is to shake. So you want to shake your bag for about 5 minutes before you stop and check on your ice cream. So what I like to do is put on my favorite song and just dance around and shake that bag. Whew. Are your arms tired from shaking? Let's check this out. After about 5 or 6 minutes, you can stop, open up your bag, take the smaller bag out, and see how it's doing. Is it starting to feel like ice cream? Mine's feeling pretty good. If yours is still too soft, you can put it back in and shake for another 2 to 3 minutes. Or, if it feels like it's turned into ice cream, you can open it up, take your bag out, maybe add some sprinkles if you'd like, put it in a bowl, or eat it right out of the baggie. Enjoy your homemade ice cream.